Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to be working in Packet Tracer to route between discontiguous networks. So, start this off. First thing we want to do is go to our Uptown router. We're going to configure the Uptown router and verify connectivity. Give it a host name. So it's no longer just a router. It's a named router now. So we're going to configure Fast Ethernet 0, Fast Ethernet 01, configure the RIP version. Start with interface FA00, IP address 192.168.2.17 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.240. That's correct. Alright, there we go. So, exit. Now we're going to interface FA0-1. IP address 192.168.1.33 with a subnet mask of 255.255.224. One 168.1.33 255.255.244. Okay. Now we want to set a router RIP version. And to do that, we're going to type in router RIP version 1. And then we're going to give it our network addresses. Then we're going to want to type in our network addresses. So we'll start with network 192.168.2.16. Uh, 192.168.1.32. Okay, and then we just want to continue doing that. Network 172.16.1.4. And then .1.0. Exit. Copy, run, start. Alright, so now we want to verify our RIP configuration. So we're going to view the routing table by using a show IP route. So 00 should be 192.168.2.0 subnetted out. .16.32 directly connected. So those are those ones, and then the 172s are up here for serial ports. .1.4 and .1.0. So now we're going to review the RIP database. We're going to show IP RIP database. And here's our RIP database. Much like our IP root. Now we're going to ping PC2 from the command prompt from PC3. Let's go to PC3's command prompt. We're going to find PC2. So from here we want to ping that address. So we have connectivity. From there we want to ping PC1 from PC3, which is this one. It says it's unreachable. I think I missed a step here. But we'll continue. We'll see what happens. Ping PC5 from the command prompt. I think I forgot to issue no shut commands to my uptown router. Nope, they're all up. Alright, well, we'll continue with this and see what's going on. Oh, RIP version 1 doesn't support the variable length subnet mask. So we're going to select the downtown router and configure RIP version 2. Okay, now we want to do that to the uptown router. Alrighty. So now we want to configure RIP version 2 on our core router. Alright. So now we've configured it. We have 100% completion down here. We're going to view the routing table, enter show IP route. So from the Uptown router, we want to show IP route. So we're going to compare this routing table to the previous RIP version routing table. As you can see, this one's a lot more in depth, and so our RIP routing table would be up here. Let's see here. Here's version 1, and there's our table. Here's version 2, and as you can see, we have a much larger table. So we're going to go view the RIP database under show IP RIP database. So now we want to again compare this to our original RIP database. Right here. As you can see, this one has a lot more in it, more routes. So now we want to select PC3 and make sure we've got connectivity. So we're going to hit PC2 again. As you can see, we have connectivity now. Now we want to do PC5. As you can see, we have connectivity there too. Hit our check results. It's locked, but we have 100% completion, so I hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.